So the next M1 product to cover here is M1 Spend. M1 Spend is a digital bank account that integrates directly with your M1 Invest account. You can also tie it in with M1 Borrow if you choose to utilize that portfolio line of credit that we just talked about. Essentially, all of the M1 products work together in one app seamlessly, allowing you to spend money out of a checking account, borrow money, invest, and then also utilize a credit card if you wish, which we will discuss next. Essentially, it's the convenience of having everything in one place, making it much easier to keep track of your money, automate things, and make sure that things are not slipping through the cracks, such as, credit card payments and things like that. So M1 Spend is basically a checking account that comes with a Visa debit card. I will say this, the perks are much better for the M1 Spend card when you have the M1 Plus account, which again is $125 per year. And we're gonna cover what that unlocks for you later on in this review when we specifically talk about M1 Plus. However, even if you just have the basic level of M1 Spend, you do get your paycheck up to 2 days early when you have direct deposit, and you also get 1 monthly ATM reimbursement, all for free.